If you're looking to make an easy holiday cake, may I suggest this wreath cake? It came together very simply. All you do is frost your cake to the final coat stage. So I just used a vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream, and then I tinted the buttercream using some green gel food coloring. And then I just used one single piping tip to make the wreath. So I used a Wilton 1M tip, which is a really basic open star tip that's very common. And all I did was I made rosettes and little drop stars, and I loved how ruffly the drop stars looked as well. And I just went all the way around the cake and kind of just did a drop star here, a rosette here. So to make a rosette, all you do is you squeeze the piping bag and you do one rotation around, and just like that, and pull away. And then of course for a drop star, you just squeeze and pull up, squeeze and pull up, and more rosettes and drop stars until you're done the entire cake. You can use any open star tip to make the wreath, so you're doing rosettes and drop stars. For instance, I also like to use the 4B Wilton tip, which makes some really cute ridges and cute rosettes as well. Then I just went and filled in any other little spots that I thought might need a little drop star or just a touch more foliage, or anywhere that has a little bit of white poking through that I didn't like. So next up, I'm going to add some red candied berries to the cake. So these are just like red Swedish berries, but you can really add anything you like that's red and festive or a fun shape. You can even add fresh raspberries or strawberries if you wanted. Then next up, I'm going to add some sprinkles, and these are some fun sprinkles from Sweeta Polita, so there's some different sizes. And so I kind of just plopped on some more of the larger candy type sprinkles to start, and then I sprinkled on the rest of it as well for some festive and cute textural fun and to add some color. So while I was making the cake, I was debating whether or not I was going to do sort of a classic shell piped border along the bottom edge of the cake using the same piping tip. And surprise, yes, I did do a border, but I forgot to record properly what I was doing. And then I decided I wanted to do some sort of lettering in the center, and because of the recipient of the cake, I thought it would just be a really cute and simple message, just to write the word love. So I just tinted some of my buttercream a pink color, and then did not really think through my lettering, but just decided to go for it, which I recommend practicing beforehand if you wanted to make it a little bit more accurate looking, although I think it turned out really cute. And then I also did a bow, which was just really 2 loops and 2 lines for the ribbon. I also added some sprinkles to the bottom piped border as well, and I used one of the berry candies for the center of my bow. So what do you guys think? I think it actually turned out pretty cute, and I was pretty happy with it in the end. Happy holidays, and thanks always for watching.